the show and shine, see all the old cars, like new condition with their proud owners. I was there in that day and age when those muscle cars was all the rage. We watch them go, and they would go making some smoke. I would hitchhike into town on Saturday morning to watch him perform at the SO on Highway 16. There'd be a bunch of us crazy teens. We'll watch him go, and they would go making some smoke. The school dropouts would get a job and come back to town with the new muscle car. They would go, when they would go making some smoke. There was a green Dodge Charger and an orange Mustang, a Super B, and the rest of the gang. But the funniest thing that happened one day is when a farmer squealed his tires as he drove away. Well, watch him go, when he would go trying to make some smoke. A blue Torino and a red Firebird, a green Olds and some I never heard. But the red Shelby Cobra stole the show when he left all the others in his smoke. We watch him go, when he would go making some smoke. To see the brake stands down on Highway 16 and the long strips of rubber impressed us teens. I always dreamt of the day I'd have a muscle car and I would squeal away. Watch me go, I would make it go making some smoke. I got my muscle car, a gold duster with white interior and racing tires. I'd make it go, and I would go, I could make some smoke. But I'm sad to say that I traded it away for a station wagon and a family way. And we would go, down the country road. Yeah, I'm sad to say that I traded it away for